guess you just don't notice how many campgrounds there are across this great land of ours till you become part of the camping lifestyle. Here's one that me and Mrs. Eatin Good in the Woods just discovered recently. Black Mountain Campground in the Pisgah National Forest. Y'all stick around, I'ma show you around. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. And while I'm thinking about it, go to your Play Store or wherever it is you get apps and download this app, RV Parking. It is an absolutely wonderful app for searching for campgrounds, both private and public, whether it be a county park, a national park, or somebody's personal RV park. It is fantastic. It also tells you where you can find nearby gas stations with dump stations and Walmarts, Cracker Barrels, etc. that allow overnight parking. Go check this one out. It's fantastic. I'm going to tell you folks now, this campground already has the three biggest things I look for. It's beautiful, it's remote, and it's super quiet. This campground offers 37 primitive campsites, 3 of which have electric hookups. All the campsites are equipped with picnic tables, tent pads, lantern posts, and campfire rings with grills. The facility provides hot showers and restrooms with flush toilets. There is a small supply store where campers can purchase firewood, ice, t-shirts, souvenirs and such. This campground features reservable sites as well as first come, first serve. This campground can only be reserved by contacting recreation.gov, either by the web or by calling 877-444-6777. Apart from this lovely campground, which if I'm being completely honest is worth the price of admission just on its own, it also features fishing. Trout fill the area's streams near Black Mountain Campground. The stream is catch and release, and lures are limited to artificial flies and single hook. Further upstream in the South Toe River becomes wild trout waters. Watch for state regulation signs posted along the river. This park also features hiking trails. The Mount Mitchell Trail climbs 3,200 feet to Mount Mitchell's summit at 6,684 feet. Marked with yellow blazes, the trail passes from hardwood to a Canadian forest of spruce and fir. The trail travels 5.7 miles from the campground. If you want an interesting read, click on the link down in the description section of this video and read the story of the competition between Elijah Mitchell and Thomas Clingman over who had the highest peak east of the Mississippi. Spoiler alert, Elijah Mitchell wins. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here train rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this train a-rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. The very steep 3.3-mile Lost Cove Ridge Trail climbs to the Green Knob Lookout Tower beside the Blue Ridge Parkway. The 0.7-mile Devil's Den Trail is a loop that begins near the restroom next to the amphitheater. The Yellow Blaze Trail offers an easy stroll through beautiful strands of poplar and oak. The 1.2-mile Brer Bottom Bicycle Trail starts at the Group Campground Gate. The trail follows the South Toe River under giant hemlock trees, crosses 2 locust bridges, and loops around the group campground to the starting point. This park also features day-use picnic area. During the summer, a variety of programs Children's activities and guided walks are featured at Black Mountain and Carolina Hemlock campgrounds. Keep your eyes open, I'm going to do a review of them too. The program focuses on wildlife and wildflower identification. A beautiful cascading waterfall awaits hikers on the 0.25-mile trail to Set Rock Creek Falls. The trail begins just past the group campground gate. Another waterfall, Roaring Fork Falls, is 3 miles down the Forest Road 472 near its junction with NC 80. The Roaring Fork Falls Trail is an easy 0.7-mile hike starting on FR 5520. Another thing about this place, because it's federal land, if you have an access pass or a Golden Age pass, make sure you present that at check-in for 50% off your camping. Well, folks, that's going to be about it. It's been my pleasure showing you around this park. Y'all going out there and be nice to one another. I love y'all. God bless. See you next time.